In this video from Device Doctor, we're tackling a common issue, Epson L3110 keyboard not working. Don't worry, we'll show you how to open the printer, remove the faulty keyboard, and replace it with a new one.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, the keyboard of our Epson L3110 printer is not working, and because of this, the printer won't turn on. To fix this issue, we need to replace the keyboard. You need to get a new keyboard from workshops or printer parts and accessories stores. To start, remove the 2 screws at the front of the printer to lift the scanner. Carefully disconnect the scanner's cables from the printer's motherboard. Now, remove the scanner. It's very simple, just be careful. Now, remove the 5 screws from the scanner to access the keyboard. After removing the screws, carefully remove the scanner cover with a flathead screwdriver. It's a simple task, but make sure not to damage the scanner. Now, disconnect the keyboard cable, then remove the faulty keyboard and replace it with a new one. Now, carefully reassemble the 2 layers of the scanner. Now, place the scanner back in its position and check if the new keyboard works. If it does, remove the cover again and secure the 5 screws. Reconnect the scanner cables to the printer's motherboard. Now connect the power cable to the printer. Now the printer is powered on and ready to go. Let's do a test copy to check if it's working properly. The printer is now working perfectly, and the keyboard has been successfully replaced. This simple repair can save you time and money, and now your printer is good as new. We hope this video helped you fix your printer, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Device Doctor for more helpful tutorials.